have an awful lot of respect for the Ohio Nursery and Landscape Association. I think their volunteer leadership is thoughtful and strategic, and I think they're ahead of many industry issues, and I think they've done a great job with their executive staff too. You know, what I've seen in the last couple of years is their focus on the future of the industry and their partnership with AEF. They were the first one to do that. We followed suit because they started it. And I also think that their leadership on public policy, they have always been really in tune with what's happening in their state and nationally, and that's what's helped make them a leader.
You know, Ohio is one of the key states for the landscape industry, a key Midwestern state, big nursery industry there. But really I don't know that everybody knows that ONLA brought their scholarship foundation into AEF, into Planet. And I have to tell you that a very active member and past president of Planet, which was ELCA at the time, Rick Duesberg, was very instrumental. He's a great supporter of AEF, long heritage in the industry in Ohio, and had a big hand in making that happen. Kevin Thompson was involved. But Ohio is just a great association. I don't know how big that the membership is, but it is, that's just a key association in our industry. Great members, great state association, really involved, a lot of Planet members from Ohio, diversified state, nursery state, and then all other aspects. Ohio has everything that the landscape industry offers, in my opinion.
I think everybody's familiar with the great work that Planet's AEF is doing in providing scholarships for landscape students all around the country. And AEF has a bold new vision that's coming out, and you'll hear more about that soon. But none of that's going to be possible at all without our ambassadors and our investors, including individuals as well as companies. A few years ago, we started a new program that allowed state associations to invest in the fund as well. And ONLA, or Ohio Nursery and Landscape Association, was the first one to step up, and stepped up in a big, big way. Thus far today, they have invested more than $300,000 in the foundation, and that has allowed scholarships to go to Ohio students and so forth. But not only the funds that they've invested, but the leadership that they've provided. Kevin Thompson, the executive director, also sits on the board of AEF, and they've helped us to develop this bold new vision. And it's allowed other state associations, such as Colorado, to join in, and we're going to have more and more folks doing that as we march on our goal to get the fund to $5 million in 5 years. So without ONLA's leadership and investments, none of this would have been possible. So I want to personally thank all the board of directors and the members of ONLA and anybody that's been involved in this decision. It's meant a lot, not only for the foundation, but certainly does for our industry, because the work we're doing is incredibly important. Thank you very much.